Hi, it's Kira the Conflict Coach with a 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite. Last week, I was at an ethno-religious mediation conference. I chaired a panel including Elisa Cofini, and she was sharing fascinating research she was doing on former terrorists from Northern Ireland. See, these terrorists had been incarcerated from when the conflict was raging until the present day, where it's more or less peaceful. The problem was they still had this blight, this taint of the identity of being a terrorist. So what were they going to do about that? Was their identity static? Will they always be considered terrorists? It was an interesting idea, and it made me think about our identities generally. Are our identities and roles static and permanent, or are they flowing and dynamic? I think the answer is really that they're more malleable and they change over time. So if so, how does that relate to our conflicts? If our identities can change, then our relationship to conflict can change. And in fact, the conflict itself could completely just change and be altered over time. If so, how do we embrace that change and work with whatever potential may happen with this conflict? How do we embrace our flowing identities and create the kinds of resolutions we're looking for? That's a great question, and I welcome your thoughts and comments. Please like and share this video, and join me for future 2-minute conflict coaching sound bites.